Hello there. Welcome to Skillier. In this video we will see, can you be agile without doing Scrum? If so, how? Let us first understand what is agile development. Whether you're new to the agile development world or a veteran, you may have heard of Scrum. Scrum is a type of agile methodology that focuses on collaboration and iteration. But while Scrum can be incredibly powerful, it's not the only way to practice agility. So, can you be agile without doing Scrum? The answer is yes. Let's break down how to be agile without using the traditional Scrum method. So now let's see the benefits of being agile without doing Scrum. The benefits of being agile without doing Scrum are numerous. Most notably, teams are able to take advantage of the flexibility inherent in an agile environment while avoiding some of the more rigid aspects associated with the traditional Scrum approach. This allows teams to quickly adapt their sprints and projects as needed to meet customer requirements and changing business objectives. Additionally, teams are able to focus on developing solutions that are tailored specifically for their needs rather than having to adhere to specific processes or frameworks. Now let's see how to be agile without doing Scrum. Number 1. Embrace flexibility. The main goal when practicing agility is flexibility. By embracing this concept, teams will be able to better adjust their sprints and projects as needed while still staying within an organized framework. This allows teams to quickly respond to changes in customer requirements or project objectives without sacrificing quality or speed in delivery. Number 2. Utilize lean practices. As opposed to traditional waterfall-based approaches that require extensive planning up front before any development begins, lean practices allow teams to develop solutions iteratively with minimal upfront planning and reduced time-to-market cycles. This approach works well when applied in an agile setting as it enables teams to quickly pivot if needed while still adhering to established objectives and goals set forth at the start of a project or sprint cycle. Number 3. Focus on quality. Finally, one of the keys when practicing agility is focusing on quality over quantity. By focusing on delivering high-quality solutions instead of rushing out mediocre products or features, teams will be better positioned for success in both short-term projects as well as long-term initiatives. Focusing on quality also helps ensure that end users are satisfied with the final product delivered while helping reduce time spent on rework and bug fixes down the line. So, in conclusion, it is possible for teams to practice agility without relying solely on Scrum methodology, though there are certain advantages associated with utilizing this approach, such as structure and guidance from experienced practitioners who understand how best to implement it within organizations large and small alike. Ultimately, each team should decide which approach works best for them depending on their goals, timeline constraints, available resources, etc. But regardless of which path they choose, it's important for all members involved in a project or initiative to embrace flexibility so that they can quickly adjust if needed while still delivering high-quality results at all times. I hope this video helps you to find the answer. Are you interested in Agile and Scrum? Come explore our videos to learn more. Let your friends, colleagues, and followers know what we have to offer. Show us some support by subscribing our channel and liking our video. Also, hit that bell icon to get new video updates. You won't want to miss out on what's next. Visit Skillier.com for more information.